equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Dyson V10 may exhibit symptoms such as reduced suction power or unusual noises, often indicating a motor failure. This can occur due to wear and tear or blockages, and if not addressed promptly, it can lead to further damage and costly repairs. To carry out the repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor, and a soft cloth to clean any debris. Begin by ensuring the device is unplugged. Carefully use a screwdriver to remove the screws securing the casing of the Dyson V10. Once the casing is off, locate the motor, which is typically situated near the base. You may notice it is connected by several wires and screws. Gently disconnect the cables, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. Remove the screws holding the motor in place, applying a moderate amount of force. Once the motor is free, replace it with the new one, ensuring all connections are secure. Reassemble the device by reversing the steps, making sure all screws are tightened and the casing is properly fitted. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose and brush bar. This will help maintain optimal performance and extend the life of your Dyson V10. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.